Ever wonder why some people just get it when it comes to handling tough situations? It's not just luck, it's something called emotional intelligence. And it's the secret weapon behind the success of leaders, innovators, and high achievers. Emotional intelligence, or EQ, isn't just a trendy term, it's a skill that can reshape your life. From building stronger relationships to handling stress and navigating complex emotions, EQ plays a huge role in both personal and professional success. Here's the thing, emotional intelligence is what separates good leaders from great ones. People with high EQ are not only better at reading and managing their own emotions, but they also know how to connect with others, empathize, and create positive interactions. In a world where connections mean everything, EQ has become a top skill in the workplace and beyond. EQ consists of a few key components. 1. Self-awareness, understanding your own emotions, strengths, and weaknesses. 2. Self-regulation, the ability to control impulsive feelings and behaviors. 3. Empathy, understanding and sharing the feelings of others. 4. Social skills, building and managing relationships. 5. Motivation, the inner drive to achieve goals beyond external rewards. Imagine how mastering these skills could change the way you interact with others. Good news! Emotional intelligence isn't fixed, it's something you can build and improve. Here's how. 1. Practice self-reflection, spend time understanding why you feel a certain way. 2. Seek feedback, ask others how they perceive your actions. 3. Empathize, put yourself in someone else's shoes, especially in tough situations. 4. Stay calm under pressure, practice patience and breathing techniques. 5. Work on communication skills, listen actively, and communicate clearly. Studies show that people with higher EQ tend to be more successful, not just in the workplace but in their personal lives as well. Why? Because they're able to build strong networks, handle conflicts with ease, and remain resilient in challenging times. In today's world, IQ might get you in the door, but EQ is what keeps you there and helps you thrive. So, if you're serious about leveling up in life, start working on your EQ today. Small changes in how you handle emotions and interactions can lead to big results. Whether you're in the USA, UK, or anywhere else, emotional intelligence is a universal skill that everyone can benefit from. Remember, success isn't just about knowledge, it's about connecting, understanding, and leading with empathy. Subscribe and follow for more insights on building a better you. Thanks for watching. If you're ready to boost your EQ and take control of your future, hit that like button and share this video.